Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. And friends, multiple times I discussed about these smart meters and which are going to be like business and it's near business. So that's why I mentioned about these smart meters and companies also like HPL Electric and Genesis Infra Power and Schneider Electric's also there. So these three companies are going to benefit in this smart meter business. And why we go for smart meters? So friends, present which we are using like conventional meters are like disadvantages like electricity department has to maintain one person. He came to every home and take readings and he has to give a bill which needs like paper also. So paper is needed and another thing is like manpower is needed. So if smart meters are installed, so government will know how much power he is using and how many units he is utilizing in a month and how the demand is going on. So like database is also it is going to very benefit like data analytics and everything to analyze the demand and when the demand will be high and when demand will be low. And another one is like friends, prepaid. So like mobile phones we are going to be pay money and get power. This is going to be done in future in my view. So maybe or may not be, but in my view is like 1 month. So this is your bill, you will get a message at month starting, so you have to pay online itself. So smart meters will have good things like it is in pre-installing with IoT also. Multiple videos I posted in our channel. So now you are going to see just a brief on smart meters and how smart meters will work. So friends, smart meter is an electronic device that record information such as consumption of electrical energy, voltage levels, current and power factors. And it can give like monthly what is our bill also. So smart meters enables two-way communication between the meter and central system. That means the power department which it is handling like in AP which I am staying like APSP DCL. So these APSP DCL will maintain the data of these power meters. So these meters will works like wireless communication options in common use including cellular communications, Wi-Fi, radar readily available and wireless and havoc network. So friends, I am thinking like current through current also Wi-Fi will supply maybe signals. So we are going to see it in a big way somewhere. Uh, but as of now, these are going to be a major revolution in a smart meter. And why I am doing this video today means if you see here like are there any disadvantages in smart meters? So I think no. And smart meters like very good. So accurate bills, no more estimations. Don't worry, reduce your bills alone. So this is how we can see. And friends, I am thinking it is good only. And why should we get smart meters? So smart meters currently report your usage through mobile networks. So this is also a usage use cases like it is using IoT friends. IoT related things will come into picture in smart meters. And friends, next what you are going to see is government. So see here, Power Minister issues timelines for installing smart meters 1 hour ago. So tomorrow we are going to see a good boom in what the shares I mentioned recently, like Schneider Electrics and Genesis Infra Power, and another one is like HPL Power. So I will show you all the shares, but first we are going to see uh, in detail newses of these things. So friends, if you go through the articles, Union Ministry notifies timeline to replace existing meters with smart meters which are prepaid. So friends, I am not telling you like it is long term business like that. Just it's a short term of like 1.5 year itself. So in one and a half year, like government will fully replace like smart meters. So invest now and exit with 1.5 year after. So it's exactly like a short term trade, not like 1 year. So it's like 1 year means it's a short term trade itself. So if you see here like up to 2023 December to install 10 crore prepaid smart meter business. So friends, it's like prepaid means like mobiles itself. So in the first phase under revamped reforms based results linked incentives will be given for this. So friends, going forward we are seeing like all these things, and I am expecting pretty cool, and it's a good news to us. Why? Because we already having like full-fledged knowledge on this, and a few of our friends also holding this with our scope of visualization in future. So see here like this is how the company is planning. All Union Territories Electric Division have more than 50% consumers in urban areas, and losses more than 50%. So these losses is where is the part where government is planning to decrease by installing smart meters. So friends, this is how government looking, and so we are going to see companies like which are going to benefit in these smart meters. Just like see here, Siemens Tata Power DDL, like Delhi Distribution Limited, deploy smart metering tech in North Delhi. So Siemens also having like a little partnership with Tata's. So they are manufacturing like these smart meters, and jointly they are working. So Siemens also looking for a good movement in this business. So normal present up to now, what having good market means, like I will tell you. So just like smart meters, and the next one is like fence. So smart meter manufacturers in India. So this is how we are searching, and see here Schneider Electrics and Genesis Power Infrastructure and HPL Electric Power are among the 9 primes in the fray for a 2.5 million smart meters orders floated by the EESL, which is like Energy Efficiency Service Limited. So friends, you already know these are the three major companies, and now Siemens come into picture. So this is how you got a clear picture, right? So thank you very much.